Okay, so it's only been a couple of hours, but I need this MikroBench and I need the clamps and everything for another one for the one board contest. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it's secured enough, and then again there are some screws in there, especially down, that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna disassemble this, and then we'll take it from there. So one of the things that you may or may not notice is when you use Gorilla Glue and you take clamps off, the clamps on Gorilla Glue are just as tight or even tighter than they were before. So I had put those on with a wrench. I got to take them off with a wrench. If I had used just regular wood glue, just a slight turn on this, it would come loose. But because it's Gorilla Glue, that expanded and actually made everything even tighter yet. That's a good thing. Just a hint of the things to come with this bench. Getting the idea? That's where I'm going. All right. Now, the glue is still not set yet, and this is as early as I would normally take it apart, but again, I need the bench, and then I'm going to set this near some heat that it'll dry even faster. I might be able to get it sanded down tonight. Normally what I would have done is I would have used the scraper to scrape this while it was in the clamp to get that stuff off, because it comes off really easy once it's dry and brittle, but no time for that. So that's where it's going to hang for at least a while.